Here's a Casablanca 4 Seasons 3. Daddy always just keeps coming in my room. And I don't know why. I'm just gonna turn this light on. Like it, by the way, is a 3-way. So I'll show you how it works. So it's off. And it does these two lights, but this one kept flickering. So it had to be turned off. Somehow this is supposed to be the light chain, that's supposed to be the fan chain. That does these two lights. And that one mode does these, all three of them. So yeah, let's dim them. Low. I've had so many outtakes with this fan. It's just Dad's blocking me from this. I don't know why he is, but he is. But he's gonna be. But I'm obsessed with fans, and I just want to play with the fans down in the common area and not pay attention. Sometimes I just want to play with the fans in the common area. Sometimes I just want to play with the not pay attention. Sometimes I just want to play with the fans in the common area, which is what I want to do. But I had to do it quick, a little bit quick, because, and no spin down, because I know spin down is fun for you guys, but I can't do it in the lobby because that's just the hallway. So yeah, that's about low. Here is medium. As you can tell, it's on a Lutron 3-speed Skylark slider control. That's about medium. Here's high. My bass fan's on for some reason. Pretty wobbly because one of the legs is probably loose. Here's light. Spin down. Spin down is pretty fun for you, which I know that already. Yeah. This does have bleached oak blades, so I forgot about that. The other one had antique oak blades. The one, the other one with the high roof. That the room at the upstairs, with an upstairs, had the oak blades. I actually had one Westinghouse fan. It is going to be a pretty long spin down time. And this fan is located in a condo in New Hampshire. This fan. It's just the day has kind of gotten, because I know the new year, it's just my rule. It's just I need to watch out because I'm getting taller and I'm kind of getting off balance, and sometimes my mind is always addicted to fans. Holy guacamole, this is a long spin out time. Sorry about that. My mom's watching TV. Daddy, be quiet.
Fine, if you don't be kind to us, I'm inviting him back. Oh, Sam's like, Leland, if you don't go to school, I'm getting rid of your Xbox. Oh, no.
Now here is reverse. No. I need to close that door. Low. That's about low. Here is medium. Here's high.
Leland, what do you do to that X?
Sorry, it's my brother. This is just a rental. This is just a rental. Yeah. Not gonna do spin down reverse. I'll only do it live. I'm gonna put it on medium. This is where I keep it. Because I mostly keep it. I'm mostly gonna keep it on medium. Reverse. But sometimes low. If it's cold. I haven't reversed. I'll have in reverse the winter. So yeah, that's it. That's Casablanca 4 Season 3. Thanks for watching.